Perfect. So for this video, I'm going to do my test wrapper on 2 questions actually, because they were both smaller mistakes but combined some places I could have really improved. So for problem 1, which you see here, my coding was just wrong in some areas, and so an easy fix here would be that the correct answer is r cosine theta, r sine theta, 0. And that's all in parentheses, and you can of course say r times cosine theta, r times sine theta to make that correct. And then lastly, for part C, they asked for the ENet at the observed location, and so that should actually be EA should be equal to the arrow at opposite location, and then the rest would stay the same. So axis equals scale factor times ENet. So those were silly mistakes, but really could have made sure that I got those right to get the full points. Again, for part B, similar things. It should be r hat 1 and r hat 2. Okay, so for this one, the reason I got it wrong was because I didn't pay attention to what it said at the end, which is which it should be the forces on the carbon atom, not the forces on the paper. But just to draw the diagram, essentially you have, so you have your paper with your different carbon atoms, so say it's like a dipole. You have the carbon atom, and they told you that it had a Q equal to -4e. Of course, you have the force of the pen going upwards, and then the force being exerted on the carbon by gravity, so mg. And this gives you the height that was mentioned in the problem, so just making sure that the responses are actually the electric force of the pen on the carbon atom and the gravitational force of the Earth on the carbon atom would be your correct options. Thank you so much.